Yes, pumunta ako ngayon sa San Pedro. Maliligo sana ako sa beach. Kaso, nagkamali ng daan. So, lakad ako. Papuntang circle din, doon sa paliliguan ko. Ito yon. Medyo, medyo malayo-layo yung lakaran. Pero okay lang, maliligot ko kayo. Init lang. Tanggal yung headband. Ito yung circle. Maganda rito kapag gabi. Pero kapag ganito, medyo hindi maganda. Medyo nakahuli tayo ng nahuli tayo ng punta. Dapat maaga pa eh. Balak ko lang sana maligo. Hindi ko balak maglakad. Hindi ko rin balak mag-jogging kasi mainit na. Kaso, ayan. Yung Pasko dito maganda kasi may mga displays. Pero ngayon wala. Ito yung dike. Ito ang San Pedro Circle. Ito yan. Ayan. Kaya siya tinawag na circle kasi pabilog. Diba? Ayan. Ayoko siyang libutin. Ito tayo. Sobrang mainit na eh. Ayan. Ayan yung dike. Ayan. Ito yung lake. This is the lake that is connecting. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan. There's the lake. Baba tayo. Bababa tayo for you to see the lake. Ang ganda ng view, diba? Ayan. Nahanap ko yung babaan. So, hindi ko makita. Dito tayo para shortcut. Ayan yung lake. Medyo, ano pa siya. Hindi siya malalim ngayon. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan yung view. Ayan yung lake kapag low tide siguro. Nung last December, ano yan eh, puno siya ng tubig. Ngayon, tuyo, diba? Kita niyo yung tuyo. Tuyo siya. Ayan. Noong December, ang dami ditong tubig. Oh, ayan oh. Tuyo siya ngayon. Ayun, dike. Ayun yung dagat. Ayun yung dagat. Umaamoy na. Umaamoy na ang tubig dagat. Ayan. Tanggal ko na yung ano. Yun ang lakad natin. Diba? Nakakali may biker. Yan. Pasubo ako maglakad ah. Kala ko malapit lang. Kala may masasakyan na dito. Tingnan natin saan tayo pwede maligo kaagad. Nung walang masyadong tao. Yun na yung dagat. Ay, kita ko na. Kita ko na ang dagat. Yes, Nolan, this is the lake. The lake, but no water right now. Yes. And that part is the ocean. Last December, it has full of water, lake water. And it's connected to the sea on the other side. And it's hot right now. No means of transportation. Just walking. I should have gone here earlier. It would be nice. But I was a bit late. So it's really hot. And it's really good to dip in the water. This is a place where it is very good to do the biking because no other vehicles around. So yun na. That's the sea. Can you see it, Nolan? That's the sea. The lake. And on the other side is the sea. Wow. Well, the sand here is not, it's not white, but some other parts of Antique it's white. But here, particularly in San Jose and San Pedro, it's dark. Dark sand, like gray, brown, grayish brown. Of course, while walking, I have my water. I also have my cookies for emergency when I get hungry. I am bored. Ako, sana hindi malalo. I am looking if there's, fresh fish that they are selling right now. But I don't see any. No people here around this area. Uh, the lake. This is the lake. And that is the sea. The Bay Area. It's already 9:41 right now. No one is around. Maybe when it's earlier there are many people, but right now no, because it's hot. Hot and windy. I don't know on the other side where I always dip into the water. I don't know if there are so many people there. But in this part, no. I've seen almost to none. Yan, lakad-lakad tayo mga kalogi. Tingnan natin ang kagandahan ng San Pedro Antique. Nung kumain kami dito, yung sa baba na yun, may restaurant. Pero kasi ako gusto ko doon sa may kabila. Batso yan, masarap. Dito hindi masyado. Ang baba naman. Ang baba na na. Baba ng puno. Punta tayo sa gitna. Punta tayo doon sa baba. Ay, dito muna tayo. Pinaka-sentro. Oh, I think it will rain. Ito. Masyadong mainit. Ayun na siya, oh. Ay, ang taas. Wow, ang taas. So, I think it will going to rain. So, ilang minuto na ako naglalakad. Pagod na. Kapagod din. Kaya natin. Uy, oh. May isda kaya. Sige natin. Daming bangka, oh. Ayan, daming bangka. Ay, mga naliligo, oh. May mga naliligo. Wow. Pero gusto ko doon sa may medyo malayo-layo. Tayo sa mundo. Ano yan? Madaming basura. Yay. Ay! This is the beach. Ayan. Ay! Ah, shucks. Hello, Nolan. This is the beach. I think it's deep. Scary. I don't know if I can swim. I don't know how to swim, but it looks like it's scary. scary. It looks so scary. I think I will carry my shoes now. I will go on that part where there are some people. I will remove my shoes. I am going to remove my shoes. Or not yet, maybe later. Oh. Yeah. The waves are so strong. Wow! Ice scares me. Woo! Oh, they are fishing. The boys are fishing. How can they fish there? No water. This is scary. You wanna fish here, Nolan? Oh, I'm looking for a nice spot where I can, you know, dip into the water. It's not here. So scary. I don't know where is a good spot.